Want WhatsApp messages to pop up as chat bubbles on your Android phone, just like Messenger? Most users don't know this feature exists or how to turn it on. In this video, I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp chat bubbles. Let's enable chat bubbles right now. First, open up the Play Store. After that, tap on the search icon below. Then type WA Bubble for Chat. Here you will find an app called Bubble for Chat by JNG Dev. Install this app. After that, tap Open. Then tap Next. Keep tapping Next until you see the Finish button. Now you need to give some permission to this app. So toggle on the overlay permission. Mark the box to agree. Then tap OK. Now toggle on the app from here. Then go back. Now toggle on the notification access. Mark the box to agree again. Then tap OK. Now toggle on the app again. Then tap Allow. Now go back. Tap Done. Then tap Allow, and the settings are done. Now try to send a WhatsApp message here from another phone. And here it is. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.